Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the AJW number UJ14B. This is what they call a hook strip, 36-inch long, and a 3-foot version is going to have 4 hooks, as you can see. This is surface mounted. It is a very simple sort of piece of hardware. It's basically a stainless pan that's been bent into the shape of a pan, and then it will have the stainless hooks spot welded to it. You can see evidence of the spot welding there and there, but that's how these are manufactured. Surface mounted. Typical that screws are not included with much commercial bathroom hardware. This is made of 18 gauge stainless with a satin finish. I'm going to confirm what the net length is. It's right on at 36 inch. And there is a tech sheet below this video, which we'll talk about in a moment, that will verify these dimensions. Height of the pan, 4 inch. Overall height with the hook, it's about 6.5 or so. Okay. So as you go longer, you'll have more hooks. As you go shorter, you'll have less. The hook strip I see a discrepancy in the gauge of the material. There's a link below this video to a document called Tech Sheet. Let's view that. Generally, the Tech Sheet is where we'll go to confirm something, and it's saying that the pan or the hook strip itself is 20 gauge, even though the catalog, I believe, says 18 gauge. I'm tempted to say that that's 18 gauge. That's awfully... well, whatever. The tech sheet says 20 gauge, so we're going to stick with 20 gauge. The hooks are made of 14 gauge. Okay. The projection we haven't given, but it is called out at 2 5/8 from the face of the wall. There we go. 2 5/8, they're saying. That appears to be correct. You'll have 3 screws drilled in this unit for attaching at either end and then in the middle. Now, on that link to the tech sheet, it's going to give you the other part numbers necessary to determine the other lengths that are available. If you take the UJ14B and turn it into an A, you'll have a 26-inch length. The C is 46-inch, and the D is 56-inch. Respectively, 3, 4, 5, and 6 hooks are included. Okay. Place the unit on the wall, making sure that it's level. Transfer your mounting points, remove it, drill your pilot holes, insert any anchors, and then attach with screws. I've installed these. They're quite excellent. There's no need to aggressively over-tighten the pan. You don't want to crush it in at all. It's very durable to begin with, and that does not happen. But nonetheless, I've installed them and found there's no reason to over-tighten it so that you deform the backing material. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, which is very handy because on those 2 pages you'll see what they call their janitorial supplies, which is going to allow you to review their coat hook strips, their mop holders, their single hooks, their specialty mop holders with a spring-loaded knurled rubber holder in a L-shaped piece of stainless that it's been riveted to. So you take the mop handle and insert it up and into it, and that spring releases, and then gravity holds it closed. A number of other hooks that are there for a variety of applications that you'll see in restroom, specifically in commercial restroom areas. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the AJ products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, along with that a link to the manufacturer's full-line catalog. If you have more than an occasional need for commercial restroom equipment, I suggest that you familiarize yourself with their catalog. The summary of AJW is very good quality, excellent value, excellent customer service, prompt, reliable shipping lead times. Their materials made to order. It's always about a week, but it's always about a week. Those lead times rarely, if ever, fluctuate. If you have any questions on the AJW UJ14 series robe hooks, this being the B version, which makes it 36 inch, or any other AJW product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.